Page 32, Leading the Parade, the last piece in the book. Congratulations, you made it through the book, okie dokie. If you do not have a teacher, I would encourage you to go through this book again and review everything. Go through the lessons. You may have missed something, you may have forgotten something. You're not allowed to forget anything here. Just go through it. Don't be in a hurry to go through and get through them. Make sure you really understand it all. Let's talk about the parade. I look it over, it's 2 lines long, treble bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see quarter notes, dotted half notes, and whole notes. And the hands are playing at the same time. The left hand is just playing C's and G's, and that's about all it's doing. So I'm going to go ahead and take both hands together. Normally I just do it one hand at a time and then put them together. The right hand starts here, here, and the left hand. And you're doing all this at the same time. And this left hand, you got to hold that whole note down 4 counts. The dotted half note is 3 counts, and they're tied, so you're holding it down for 7 counts total. But while you're doing stuff in the right hand here, 1, 2, 3, rest. Both hands get rests. 1, 2, 3, rest. Second line is rest. In each hand. 2, 3, 4. And then there's a repeat sign to do it again, but there's a note above the staff at the end where they want you to move the right hand up an octave. Remember, an octave is letter to letter. A to A, D to D, E to E, C to C. Move it up an octave. So the left hand doesn't move, the right hand's got to come up here, and you play it up here. That's all. Now once I can get the notes and rhythms okay, and by the way, at the end here, this left right hand isn't playing, go ahead and getting ready to repeat, go ahead and get your right hand up here ready to go, because it's got to go. Yeah, keep the beat steady. And then after I get the notes and rhythms, I go through slowly and get rid of any hesitations. Pretend people are marching, left, right, and that's your beat, left. Well, you can't hesitate, they'll fall over themselves, so just keep it steady. You can keep it slow right now. They can march slow. Left, right, left. May not like it, but they can. You can speed it up later, but no hesitations. Then the dynamics. Well, F on the first one, and when you repeat, it's soft. Here, heavy. Soft is here. Light. Yeah. And then the speed, well, again, it's a march briskly. After you can play it accurately with no hesitations. Don't speed it up too soon, because accuracy, in my opinion, is more important than speed. Teachers don't agree on that, by the way. Some teachers say, "I'll just play it." Yeah. 2, 3. Something like that. You play it. You take it at your speed. You decide. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Feel them. Once you can play this at least slowly with no hesitations, let's play it together and check you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'm not doing loud and soft. We're not performing it. Just notes and rhythms, and we will do it twice. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. 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 3, repeat. 2, 3, rest. 3, rest, 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 2, 3, 4,